Good morning, students. Today we'll continue from whatever we had left in the previous class. We're talking about the ecosystem. In the last class, I have told you that ecosystem means interaction of the living as well as the non-living components in nature. So, if you talk about living organisms, all animals, all plants, they are the living organisms, all the microorganisms are living organisms. Whereas the non-living organisms in nature are the sun, the wind, the soil. So they are the non-living components of nature which together with the living organisms create the ecosystem. Now, if you go to the broader classification of the ecosystem, you will see that ecosystem, there are two components in the ecosystem. In the last class we had studied about types of ecosystem, in which I have told you about the natural as well as the artificial ecosystem. Natural ecosystem comprise of forests, deserts, which are not man-made, made by nature. They like grassland, mountain, river, ocean, they are all natural ecosystems. Whereas artificial ecosystems may be a park, maybe an aquarium. So those are artificial ecosystems. Now, when we go to the broader classification of the components of ecosystem, we have basically two components of ecosystem. One is the biotic component, the other is the abiotic component. When you talk about the biotic component, when you hear the word biotic, means living component. So when I talk about biotic component, it includes all plants, it includes all animals, it includes all microorganisms that live in the ecosystem. Now you can see that biotic components are further divided into three parts. The biotic ecosystem, as I just said now, that they are the living organisms which live in the ecosystem. The biotic component of the ecosystem is further divided into three types or three parts, you can say. They are producer, consumer and decomposer. Please remember, producer, consumer and decomposer. Now what do you mean by the word producer? Any organism which produces food or energy is the producer. Like you can say, if you talk about producer, the plant is the producer. All plants are producers because they can prepare their own food. So when you talk about the ecosystem, the green plants are the producers because they produce food with the help of sunlight. So they will come under the category of producers. Next you have the consumers. Consumers, I will divide consumers into again three types. Consumers are those who take energy from the producers. Now if you take our example, we all human beings, we are the consumers because we take energy from the producer. We eat vegetables, all different kinds of plants we eat. So we consume the producers, we take energy from the producers. So that is why we are called consumers. We take energy from the producer, that is why we are called consumers. We consume energy from the producer. Producer जितना एनर्जी बनाता है उससे कुछ परसेंट एनर्जी अपन कंज्यूम करते हैं. So that is why we are called as consumers. Now consumers are of three types, I was just telling you. One is herbivores. It is that type of consumer which takes the producer directly. Herbivores मतलब जो plants के ऊपर dependent है अपने खाने के लिए. They are those organisms which are dependent upon plants for their food. Now next is carnivores. Carnivores are not dependent upon plants directly, but they are dependent upon those animals which feed plants. Please understand, जैसे कि if you take the example of a lion, lion किसको खाता है? मान लीजिए एक डियर को. Now डियर किसको खा रहा है? डियर खा रहा है प्रोड्यूसर को, प्लांट्स को, और शेर जो है वो डियर को खा रहा है. तो यानी कि कार्निवोर्स हर्बीवोर्स को खा रहा है और हर्बीवोर्स खा रहा है आपका प्रोड्यूसर को. So lion is a carnivorous animal. It also feeds on another organism which is the herbivorous animal, and that herbivorous animal is directly feeding on the producer. नेक्स्ट आप चले जाइए omnivores, और एक कैटेगरी है जिसका नाम है omnivores. Omnivores means we feed on green plants and we feed on animals also. We eat vegetarian as well as non-vegetarian food, all of us. So we feed on green plants, the producers, as well as we feed on the consumers also. जैसे कि we eat different kinds of non-veg food. So consumers can be categorized into 3 types: herbivorous animals, carnivorous animals, and omnivorous animals. Among these, the herbivorous animals eat directly the producers, the green plants, as their food. We also, as omnivore animals, we also feed on green plants for our energy. So we are the consumers. The tiger is the consumer. The tiger is not the producer. Tiger अपना खाना खुद नहीं बना पाता है. So we are the consumers. We take energy from the producers. So that is the concept of consumers. Next we go to the next category of biotic component, that is the decomposers. अब ये decomposer क्या है? Decomposers are those microorganisms. Decomposers are basically they are microorganisms. वो कोई बड़ा animal नहीं है, microorganisms है, which are very small and can be only visible under the microscope. So they are the microorganisms which decompose, which convert dead plants and animals into simpler forms in the soil. तो क्या है कि जैसे ही डेड प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स जैसे ही क्रिएट होते हैं, प्लांट्स मर जाते हैं, एनिमल्स मर जाते हैं, उसके बाद उनके बॉडी का जो कम्प्लेक्स सब्सटेंस है उसको सिंपल सब्सटेंस में कन्वर्ट कर देता है ये डिकम्पोजर. सो डिकम्पोजर बेसिकली क्या कर रहा है? ये कन्वर्ट कर रहा है कम्प्लेक्स सब्सटेंस टू सिंपल सब्सटेंस. दैट इज़ वाई दे आर कॉल्ड एज डिकम्पोजर्स. सिंपल सब्सटेंस कन्वर्ट करके वो सॉइल के साथ मिक्स हो जाएगा. आप डेड प्लांट्स बोलिए, डेड एनिमल्स बोलिए, दे ऑल द कम्प्लेक्स कंपोनेंट इन देम is converted to the simple component by different kinds of microorganisms. Therefore, microorganisms are called as decomposers. So, अब ये सॉइल में जैसे ही आपका सिंपल सब्सटेंस चला गया, मैंने अभी भी बोला है complex to simple. Once the nutrients are converted to simple substances, they are again taken by the plants at a later stage. फिर वही सिंपल सब्सटेंस को प्लांट्स उसको एब्जॉर्ब कर लेगा, एंड सो दिस इज अ साइक्लिक पैटर्न. एक साइक्लिक साइकिल जैसा है. तो ये जैसे ही कम्प्लेक्स से सिंपल में कन्वर्ट होगा, प्लांट्स उसको ले लेगा और फिर से वही प्रोसेस रिपीट होगा. सो दिस इज अबाउट द डिकम्पोजर्स. सो यू हैव 3 कैटेगरीज